That's the place to be. I'm sorry. I know it's hot, but nothing wrong with being out on the water.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Fun fact, those turtles, as they're getting released, they're looking for this. The full moon, the lights from the moon, they're like, oh, that light looks nice. And they head toward the light. That's why in Florida, they're encouraging people to keep their porch lights off for the turtles. They also, as the sunrise starts to come up, which is the perfect location, it shows the turtles where the water is as that sun is coming up. So that is such a cool experience to see the turtles walking. You can see they'll go diagonal toward the sunrise. But anyway, a fabulous shot. This is the buck moon. Technically, it was full 100% full yesterday. That was around 1:30. For now, we are watching some rain across the Gulf, specifically south of Houston there. Galveston is dealing with some thunderstorms right now, and closer to Brownsville, south of Brownsville into Mexico, we have some thunderstorms. We are watching for the possibility of a few storms in the coastal bend today, but right now we shouldn't see any impact to that hatchling release. Weather is something that could have it canceled at last minute, and we are good to go on our satellite radar imagery this morning. The hatchling release again is at 6:45. We will be seeing mostly clear skies with a few clouds out there as the sun comes up at 6:36. So just before they release the turtles at 6:45, we'll have a light wind and partly cloudy conditions. And again, that's at the Padre Island National Seashore. I do suggest, I've been to 2 of these releases now on Saturday though, so maybe they're a little bit more crowded than Thursday, but I suggest leaving as soon as you can if you're waking up watching us right now. Once you get there, it can be traffic and things like that that delay you getting out. But people are very friendly about switching it up and letting you see those baby turtles. Right now along SPID, if you're headed to the island, we've got great traffic conditions coming from the island. Great traffic conditions, 75 degrees. Wind is out of the south-southeast at 3 miles per hour, and it's humid 100%. So your temperature right now at the Naval Air Station is 83, 82 in Port Aransas, 82 in Ingleside. We are looking again at that chance for a spotty shower, maybe developing early this afternoon, a better opportunity kind of from that energy coming from Galveston as we head into this afternoon, or evening rather, there toward Beeville. Then the sea breeze may kick up a few showers as well. I think our better shot for some rain will come as we look ahead to Friday. You can see more activity showing up on Futurecast there, but otherwise these showers are still very spotty. No one should bet on getting some rain, but embrace it if you do. Here's a look at where we are dealing with our heat advisory today. A little bit more cloud coverage today, and I don't think we're going to get quite as hot as we have been the last few days. So that heat advisory is concentrated to Jim Wells County, so Alice, Orange Grove, inland Nueces County, and inland Clayburt County. You have that heat advisory 1 to 7 p.m. Here's a look at those heat index values. Alice nearing that criteria for that heat advisory, 110, 107 there in Kingsville and Corpus Christi. Additionally, we are watching Sahara dust move into the region by the weekend. The positive note about that dust is it does limit tropical activity. We could use the rain, but we don't want all the negative things that come along with the tropical activity. So that's not expected the next 5 days. We are continuing to watch Darby Trek, likely just south of Hawaii as it does a weekend. 90% chance of development there south of Mexico in the Pacific. So the main thing you want to know is there is an isolated chance for rain the next 2 days, and then we see that Saharan dust moving in for hazy conditions over the weekend. Oh, by the way, it's still hot out there. 97 as we head into next week. John Thomas.
Totally shocked, Carl.